Hi everybody, good morning. It's Tuesday. Looking at price, daily. That's what we're looking like. Hmm. Something that I just noticed. I mean, obviously we had a huge sell-off. Asian and London session yesterday. We're kind of consolidating. Um, we have got these 4-hour lows. My bias is shorts. I'm gonna go over why. Um, yeah, and these are like equal lows, kind of relative. Bam. So we do have, so we're in a 4 hour fair value gap, right? We're wicking above this fair value gap. And I really got my bias on the hourly. So I saw that, what's this, London? Yeah, London session we manipulated, Asian we accumulated, London we manipulated higher, swept out liquidity, formed an SMT as ES failed to take, or ES took this high and NQ failed to take it. Now it's a little high, but I did mark it because, I mean, it's in an hourly fair value gap. So there is that as well. And we're also respecting an hourly fair value gap here from 6 a.m. So I do think we're due to go lower into the levels I marked. Um, oh no, we don't. I thought we had a weekly S&T, but we don't. So my bias is shorts. Very simple. Why? We have a 1 hour S&T liquidity sweep. Very nice one too. Bam, liquidity sweep S&T 1 hour fair value gap. I just didn't mark it. I think price is due to go lower. If price wants to manipulate a little, oh, this is a bound price range though. But if price wants to maybe come up inside this bearish fair value gap, we could look for shorts there. Or that's really it right now that I'm seeing. It's 9:15. We have a little bit until market opens. We're gonna come back. Well, I don't know when you're gonna see me, but I'll be here right when 9:30 opens to see if I want to take a trade before news because we do have news at 10 a.m. We have consumer confidence. Consumer confidence really doesn't fluctuate the market too much, but it depends. But we'll see. Like if I see a beautiful setup around 9:45, 9:40 to 9:50, I'll take it. But this is what I'm seeing. I do want to point out, from these highs up here to these down there, you want to short when we get, into a what is it, discount or equilibrium. By equilibrium, we've hit equilibrium and we inverse this fair value gap. You could have literally entered like this. I'm not gonna lie, you could have. But that was what time? That was right at 8:30. So I'm gonna see what happens. But if we do manipulate higher inside this 5 minute fair value gap, and then we get like an inverse or some other type of confluence, like a change in the state or something, I'm fucking shorting. So yeah, I'm gonna come back whenever I'm about to take a trade or whenever I'm in a trade, and I'll see you guys then. I don't. Do I want a long? Let's think. I mean, there's not really any high time frame shit too long off of. Nah, dude. And this is all like low resistance liquidity. I want to go. We also have a lot of room to go up to the upside. But markets tell me that we want to go lower, so I'm gonna look for shorts. I just hope we get a fucking setup. All right, I'm gonna see you guys whenever. All right, guys. Trade recap. This is going. What was I doing? Trade recap. I took shorts here. Buys going into the day was short, like I told you guys. I'm. This is like an oopsie. This is in hindsight, but this is London's low and this is Asian's low, and we swept them out pretty nicely, and we got a nice reversal, and there was a beautiful long setup too. But I was just done for the day. Actually, I did take a little bit of this long setup only uh, because this trade, how much was this trade worth? Let's see. This trade was for $1,300, so it brought me around 50,300, and I took another trade for like $100, but I exited it because I was like, what the fuck am I doing? Anyway, so I wanted to see shorts and down below. We swept out London pretty quickly, but we had Asian down there. Actually, this is Asian right here, and I actually got lucky that we went lower, but I didn't notice that we swept out London and Asian. But we did sweep out London and then Asian. We had this 2 minute fair value gap. I think it was also 3 minute. No. But we had this 2 minute fair value gap. I was like, this looks pretty good to go down. I entered on the 2 minute getting filled, so I was like in around here, and I had my stop. Your stop should have been up there for 30 points, but I didn't want to risk 30 points, so I just put it right here for 20. Good thing, because it never got hit. Or it didn't matter, but so yeah, I mean, not much else to say, but I do want to point out, like this, I want to say is kind of luck because we really could have gotten a nice reversal after sweeping out this Asian low because we swept out London and Asian. I thought we were gonna go lower, but I was wrong. But I was still able to capitalize on it. But so now zooming back out, we swept out Asian in London, right? And if you just look, we had a very strong reversal up right here. And if you look on the 5 minute, we had a right here. This is you could call it a change of state, or you could just call it break of structure. Pick one. Bam, right there. Yeah. So, because I really wouldn't have long. You could have also long down here, and I was thinking about it, but I didn't because we did have a change in the 1 minute, and we had a 1 minute for value gap. You could have at least longed until up there. But this, like, the long setups up here, there was nice. There was this one, or you could have waited for more confluence and got in here, where you could have entered off this 1 minute for value gap, or you could have waited for the inverse, which we got. How many points was this inverse? I don't know. But you would have entered there. Your stops should have been down here. I probably would have put it. If I entered right here, I would have put it at least there. And then to the upside. And there's also this one, like long setups was beautiful. You could have made money shorting or longing. And I think I want to point it out because after we did that, this S&P, market has been moving sideways. So uh, that's what I'm saying. So yeah, I mean tomorrow. Now listen, guys. Tomorrow I might do a back testing stream or a video. It'll be a video, or just to show you kind of like to go over my strategy and like to prove to you because I don't care about proving shit to you guys, but kind of prove to myself that I know what the fuck I'm doing because I did. I'm still getting over a very long and heartbreaking losing streak for the past few days. Actually, like a week or something. Since I blew my Express accounts last week, my trading has been dog shit. Um, and I kind of just need to, get my confidence back. So we're gonna do some more back testing, and I might do a video on that today because this is done. This is a quick video. I'm not even gonna edit this bitch. But anyway, let me look at you guys as I talk. So I'm gonna do a back testing video, and it's only gonna be like 15 minutes because I'm only gonna do like 5 trades, 10 like. How many trades should I do? Maybe I'll do like I don't know. We'll see how it goes while I'm doing it. But just I don't know. After last week's price action, my trading skills have like kind of halted in the sense that I need to get my confidence. I need to like I need what's the right word? I need to simply. I need what's is symbolize a word? Simplify. Simplify. That's what I'm fucking looking for. I need to simplify my trading, um, and get some confidence back. So we're gonna do a back testing video, and I'm gonna go over what I do every morning, um, before market opens to have a good day, and then I'm gonna point out like, oh, what I'm looking for to take a trade. Because I don't think I've really explained that. So we're gonna do that probably. It might actually be a little bit later because I want to do fucking homework. But so yeah, I'm gonna see you guys actually later today for that video. But we took a short dub. We took a sh we took a dub shorting. Kind of lucky, I'm gonna be honest, because we could have gotten that reversal after sweeping London and Asian, where I entered, you know. But we did it. Uh, yeah. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Now, I don't think I'm gonna go to school tomorrow. Don't tell anybody. But so I'm gonna see you guys probably. I'm gonna do like a normal video. But tomorrow we have FOMC. We have federal funds rate FOMC statement and an FOMC press conference. So I'm hoping pre-market like until like 10:30 is not too bad. I have to leave 10:30. Okay, so I'm hoping until 10:30 price action's good enough for me to take a trade, but we're gonna have to wait and see. Thursday, Friday though, we're perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later tonight.